Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this lovely low mileage Ford Transit van. This is a 2022 on a 22 plate. It's the L2H1, so it's the longer wheelbase variant, finished in the lovely pure black paintwork. Nice specification on these things. So we've got LED daytime running lights, we've got front and rear parking sensors, we've got fog lamps at the bottom there. We're riding on these lovely 16-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels finished in a lovely sparkle silver. On this one we've got the addition of the mud flaps, which is a nice feature, obviously stops mud going all the way up your van. We've got side entry door here, factory metal bulkhead, we've got slip resistance floors, that's the nice coverage on there. Fully ply lined in the rear, so as you can tell all the ply is in very, very nice order. There's no sort of big punctures. It is in nice condition. You can tell the van's been truly cherished by the previous owner, so just looking at the bodywork, looking at the paintwork, it's a very, very nice van indeed. Looking through to the back, again, all the ply lining in nice order. Nice entryways, it's never had any sort of hard use. We've got all the lighting in the top there as well. And then specification wise, we've got comfortable seating for 3, driver's armrest, nice fully adjustable driver's seat. We've got the Transit tailored all-weather mats, which are in the rubber, so they're superb if you're looking to get in with your muddy boots. We've got a leather multifunction steering wheel, so cruise control and speed limiters on there. You've got your volume controls, media controls, voice command, Bluetooth phone, you can do it all. We've got automatic lights, so you don't need to worry about those. Vehicle is supplied with both keys. We've got front electric windows, electric mirrors, which are also park folding. A central lock in there, and as I mentioned, this is a low mileage van, so as we're doing the video today, we've only covered 11,405 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Coming through to the centre display, we've got our audio, which is a full DAB radio. You've got all the extended channels. You've got Bluetooth audio there as well. Full Bluetooth phone connectivity. You've got mobile apps there as well. If we go through to settings, you'll see this vehicle has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We've got Ford Pass on there, heated front seats, which is a very nice feature indeed. Air conditioning. You've got all the lovely car-like features. You've got your driving modes, you've got comfort, you've got eco, you've got your traction control, and obviously you can switch your parking sensors on and off, and they pop up as soon as you're reversing towards something or driving up to something. The locking wheel nuts in there. We've got a USB 12-volt power outlet. Lots of smart storage solutions in these vehicles. So we've got a nice central cup holders there. These seats pop up like so. Easier doing it with 2 hands. There we go. They pop up like so, giving you extra storage space under the passenger seats. And then when you're looking to put them down, easy peasy, that's 1, that's 2. More cup holders all throughout the vehicle. USB, another 12-volt power outlet up there, so you can put your sat-nav up on the screen, on your windscreen there. We've got heated screen as well, which is a nice thing to have, but a lovely thing. If you'd like any further information, please do get in touch. If you've got a part exchange, we can happily give you a price over the phone. We've got some nice finance products on these vehicles. So if you'd like anything further, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.